woodworking isn't just for men. Kathy Wallace has turned her shop into a thriving business.
Well, I'm a female. They don't believe it. So I welcome them. Come to my shop and see us.
To learn more about becoming a Eureka producer, contact us today.
Hi, I'm Chris Marshall with Woodworkers Journal here at IWF in the Porter Cable booth with Bill Fuchs, who's going to talk about a new product from Porter Cable. Bill, what's new?
Thanks, Chris. This is our new QuikJig, okay? It's a pocket hole joinery system, and obviously pocket holes are really popular, and the reason they're popular is because they're easy to do. Well, we've made it easier. When you get the tool, the QuikJig, you get a drill bit and a collar. And what we've done here is you've got to set up, obviously the collar comes separately, so you put it into this jig that's on the tool, slide your collar up here, tighten it down with an Allen key, and at that point you're set. You don't have to change your setting for any material thickness, so it stays the same for all material thicknesses. So it makes it really easy to do.
Nice improvement.
Exactly. So let's get a piece of material here. So how does this work? Well, you're going to take whatever material you're doing, if you're doing a picture frame or something like that, drop it into the QuikJig, okay? Lower the clamp, then push down on the rotating clamp, and then turn like that, and at that point you're ready to go.
Wow.
So it's a real quick, easy setup, 3-step process, and you're ready to drill. Now obviously there's some setup there that you need to do depending on your width of material that you have. And what we've done here is we've actually got some hole spacing up here that you can actually dial in, whatever hole spacing you want. So you can go anywhere from 3/4 of an inch up to 1 3/8 of an inch. So obviously if you have a wider material, you're going to want a wider hole spacing. Now one of the other unique features when you're in here, and we talked about picture frames. Well, obviously if you're going to do picture frames, they're very similar in terms of dimension and thickness. So instead of doing the whole setup that I just did, you just release this repeat clamp, take that out, take another piece of material, drop it in, lower the clamp, and drill your other hole.
So for production applications,
very simple, very easy.
Yeah.
Now, when you get to that point, you're ready to assemble. So, what size screw do you use? Well, we've actually got on the tool an actual screw indicator that will allow you to say, all right, this is telling me I need 1 1/4 inch screw. It takes all the guesswork out of it, makes it real easy to do.
Nice.
All right. Now, one of the other unique things, you can kind of see the design. It's obviously an L-shaped design. Well, what's that for? If you're in a tight spot or in a basement or something like that where you have limited height, okay? Obviously, if you're going to do a long piece and you're on a bench, you can't really get there. So what we've done is, if you take the dust collection port out, you can actually flip it up on its side. Same setup, same application, now you're able to do a longer piece.
Wow, nice.
And the way we've designed this base is you can actually use a scrap 2x4, it's the same height, that can act as a support out there.
Sure.
So it makes it real easy to do, real easy to use, quick step process, and we've taken all the guesswork out of it.
When is the QuikJig going to be available?
This will be available at the end of September.
Okay.
And it will retail for $229. And with that, you get the tool, you get the bit, the collar, 2 drill bits, and you get a quick clamp that comes with it.